Hi, I'm Mingjo Chen with the Lexus College. I'm here to show you how our Enform Emulator application for iPad works. It can be a great learning tool for you and a useful resource for your guests. The emulator provides a simulated experience and demonstration of how the Enform technology works. It's meant to guide you so that you can be familiar with how to get around Enform, but it won't do everything the vehicle can. And it's not to be confused with the Enform app for your smartphone. Let's get started. Open the app and tap to continue. There are three parts to this app: Explore, Practice, and Challenge modes. The Explore mode allows you to freely explore different parts of Enform at your own pace. The Practice mode serves as a powerful tool for learning, delivery, and follow-up. And the Challenge mode is where you can test yourself. I'm going to show you the Explore mode first. The app isn't meant to cover everything in the Lexus multimedia system, so you'll see that you can only tap on select icons. You can tap on the back arrow key at any time to return to the previous screen. If you tap somewhere and see a red dot, it means there's no content for that particular section. At the bottom of the screen, there's a list of tasks. I'll cover that under the practice area. The arrow shows more or less information, and the hide button minimizes it. Let's hide it for now. Okay, to show you the Explore section, I'm selecting Apps, which takes us to App Suite. This is a great way to learn about each third-party app. Let's just take Bing for an example. Tapping the Bing icon takes you to the search screen. The emulator won't let you input anything you want in the search box, as Enform would in the actual vehicle, but it does enough to show you the basic concept of how Bing works. So just press anywhere on the keyboard, it auto-populates with coffee. Press OK, and then press Go. It then pulls up the search results. Select one, and it provides details on the shop. Here, it's Star Coffee. Select Map, and it'll show you the location of the shop. That's the end of this particular exercise. Let's go back to the App Suite screen, and you can see that you can do the same for any of the other icons. Like Enform, the right arrow takes you to the next page. Next, we'll cover the practice mode. There are two ways to get to the practice mode: selecting an item on the task list or hitting the practice icon at the bottom. Let's bring up the list again. You see here, it shows you how to connect various phones. If we go back to the information screen, the tasks show you how to pair various phones. The list corresponds to the section you're in. Let's go to XM fuel prices as an example. You can see the list changed. Scroll up to see the entire list. I'm clicking on the Looking Up Fuel Prices by brand. Once I hit that, I'm automatically in practice mode, and you can see it's highlighted on the bottom now. The practice mode guides you with purple highlights and steps listed out at the bottom. Just follow the pulsing highlights, it'll walk you through the entire process. Once you're done, it'll tell you the task is complete. If you're the type who likes videos, you can just sit back and watch. Tap on the film strip icon to have a short video walk you through that same task with a voiceover. Just press play and then hit anywhere around the screen to hide or show the play functions.
Need to find a fuel station but only prefer certain brands of fuel? The available Lexus Enform suite of connected services can help you find a specific fuel station.
The box in the corner makes the screen larger or smaller. Hit the arrows here to take you back to the previous screen. Remember that you have to have an internet connection to be able to watch videos. To get back to the practice menu, you can select Return to Menu or Practice Menu at the top right corner. The emulator's 13 categories reside here. When you select one, you can see everything available under that one category. Under Setup, you can see there are 7 how-tos. The numbers next to each is the length of each video. The number here is the total length of all the videos for this section. What's great about this app is that you can email links to the videos directly to your guests. Just hit the plus signs to create a playlist, hit the envelope button, and it'll set up the email with links to the videos. You can personalize the email too. What a great way to follow up with a guest or keep a relationship with them by sending them did you know emails. Or since the app is free, if they have an iPad, they can download it straight from the App Store and use this to learn about Enform at their leisure. If you have a guest coming in with specific questions about how to use a particular feature for Enform, you can put a list of tasks together, select Start Delivery, and it'll go through the list in that order. This is a great way for guests to spend their time while waiting for their vehicle in service. Hit Practice Menu to get back to the list. You can clear the list by hitting Edit to delete the ones you don't want, and then remove Selected at the bottom. Finally, the Challenge mode provides 5 scenarios to test your knowledge. Select Begin Challenge and you'll be presented with a challenge. When you complete all 5, you'll be given 5 new ones. It's a fun way to test yourself. I hope you found this walkthrough useful. We hope that you'll keep using the app as a learning tool and that you'll share it with your guests. If you don't have an iPad, you can also interact with a web module version from your PC or Android tablet. And remember that you can find all education resources at lexus-eshowroom.com and Lexus TV.